Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something really exciting for you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can create super cute, realistic 3D animated videos just like this channel right here. Now honestly, this channel is absolutely amazing. They haven't uploaded a ton of videos, but every single one looks like a mini movie. Emotional stories, adorable characters, and beautiful animation. And guess what? Even with just a few uploads, they've already gained thousands of subscribers and millions of views. So what's their secret? It's not magic. It's the right tools and the right technique. And in this video, I'm going to reveal everything step by step. How to design your characters, how to animate your scenes, and how to turn your ideas into full 3D cinematic videos, all using free AI tools. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also show you how to add background music, camera motion, and lighting effects that make your animations look professional and cinematic. So, grab your notepad, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive straight into today's tutorial, how to create an AI animated video like a pro. Alright guys, so now let's take a quick screenshot and jump straight into ChatGPT. This step is super easy. Literally anyone can do it. You don't need to be a pro, just follow along. Once you're inside ChatGPT, all you have to do is type a few simple lines. Something like this. I want to create this type of animated video. Please give me 10 prompts and make sure it's the same character and the same 3D style. That's it. Just hit enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will do its magic. You'll instantly get perfectly written prompts that describe every scene, every expression, and every little detail, ready to use for your animation. Trust me, this tool is absolutely amazing. It saves hours of thinking and gives you creative ideas you might never even imagine on your own. In just one click, it can turn your imagination into cinematic 3D story prompts. And the best part is, you can customize everything. Want your character to look cuter? Just say it. Want the same cat but underwater or in the jungle? Type it in and boom. ChatGPT understands exactly what you mean. Once you've got your prompts, the next step is even more exciting. We'll take these lines and use them in AI image generators like Pixelman or Leonardo AI to create real 3D animation scenes that look straight out of a Pixar movie. So don't skip ahead. Stay with me till the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to turn these ChatGPT prompts into stunning, cinematic animated videos, all for free. Alright guys, now let's move on to the next step. And this one is really exciting. We're heading straight into the website Leonardo AI, one of the most powerful tools for generating ultra-realistic 3D-style animated images. The best part? Leonardo AI gives you free daily credits, which means you can easily create around 8 to 10 high-quality 3D Pixar-style pictures every single day. Absolutely free. Once you're on the website, all you need to do is log in or create a free account. After that, you'll see the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Just copy the prompt that ChatGPT generated for you, paste it here, and hit the Generate button. Within a few seconds, Leonardo AI will transform your simple text prompt into stunning, cinematic quality images. You'll be amazed to see how detailed the results are. Realistic lighting, perfect shadows, sharp reflections, and characters that look alive and expressive. The tool also gives you options to customize everything. You can choose different camera angles, adjust the lighting style, change the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube, and even refine your characters to make them look cuter, softer, or more dramatic. Every time you generate, Leonardo AI maintains the same character design and art style, which is super important if you're making a story or a full animated video. So your characters stay consistent across all scenes, whether they're underwater, in a jungle, or in outer space. It's honestly a game changer for AI creators. No need for expensive 3D software or long rendering times. Leonardo AI gives you movie-quality visuals in seconds, with just a few clicks. Alright guys, now that our pictures are ready, it's time to move on to the next step, the most exciting part, RUNWAYML. I know what many of you are probably thinking right now. Wait, isn't RUNWAYML a paid website? And yes, you're absolutely right, it is paid. But today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to use RUNWAYML totally free. First, go to the official RUNWAYML website and click on Sign Up Free. Now, here's the secret. Open a new tab and go to any temporary email website. You don't need a real email address for this. Just copy any temp email from there, go back to RUNWAYML, paste it in, set a password, type any name you like, and boom. Within seconds, your brand new free account is ready. RUNWAYML recently updated its sign-up policy, which means you can now create free accounts using temporary emails with no issues at all. Each new account gives you 125 free credits, and it only costs 25 credits to generate a 5-second video. So that's 5 free videos right away. Now go to the video section of RUNWAYML, click Upload, and select one of your AI pictures from Leonardo. In the prompt box, simply describe how you want the animation to look. For example, make this character blink and smile in a 3D animated style, or add slow camera zoom and soft lighting for a cinematic look. Then click Generate and let the magic happen. RUNWAYML will automatically bring your still image to life. Full motion, cinematic camera effects, and beautiful animation that looks ultra-realistic, almost like 2K quality. And yes, I know, there's a watermark on the free version. But don't worry, we'll easily remove that in the editing section later, so make sure to watch till the end. Honestly, I'm amazed by how powerful this tool is. The video quality, the animation smoothness, the lighting, everything looks professional, and it's 100% free using this trick. So guys, don't waste your money on paid subscriptions right now. Try this free version first. It's the best way to learn, experiment, and create awesome 3D animated clips without spending a single dollar. And yes, one more thing, RUNWAYML also has an AI audio feature, where you can generate different voices for your videos, also completely free. So make sure to try it out, follow every step carefully, and you'll be amazed at what you can create today. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends, because this free trick is just too good to keep secret. Alright guys, now let's move into the editing section, the final and most fun part of our project. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit your video using Filmora, one of the most popular and easy-to-use editing tools out there. Filmora is super beginner-friendly, and yes, you can find both free and trial versions available online. Once it's installed, just open Filmora and drag all your AI-generated clips right into the timeline. Now here's a quick trick. Select your video and slightly zoom in or adjust the scale of your clip. And boom. That annoying watermark gone. Ha ha ha! It just disappears like magic. Next, let's make your video look cinematic. Go to the effects section. You'll find tons of cool options like 3D effects, Pixar-style filters, glowing lights, lens flares, and so much more. Add whichever ones match your animation style to give your video that professional, movie-like feel. You can also explore the Transitions tab. Here you can add smooth cuts, fades, or camera-style movements between your clips to make the animation flow perfectly. Then check out the text and audio sections. Filmora has a huge library of free titles, sound effects, and background music you can use. Plus, there are tons of stock videos and overlays built right in, so you can enhance your project however you like. Everything is fully customizable. So don't worry, everything you need is right inside Filmora, and it's totally beginner-friendly. Just follow these steps, play with the effects, and your final video will look absolutely stunning, just like a real 3D animated short film. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI video tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.